I'm back. I'm gonna attempt something here.
Hey guys, I have to do a voiceover here because I didn't explain anything, but in the previous video you saw me test out the 6-horse Johnson after it had sunk. So that was months and months ago, and over the winter my buddies helped me rip the motor apart and they said I needed a new impeller, so I ordered a new impeller from the local boating store, and it was literally just the impeller. It wasn't the impeller kit with the housing and the gaskets and everything. So my friend Rich helped me replace the impeller and put it inside the original housing, but then we put it back together and then I tested it, and in the previous video you saw that it was overheating and it was not pumping water. So of course I, in haste, ordered an Amazon special, and in this video you will see me assembling the Amazon special impeller.
To what way that goes, because I know Rich did it right. And yeah, I'm going to assemble the new one. Yes, this is something that Eric or Rich or my dad could do blindfolded. But can they do it with these fingernails is the question. But I want to do it. I am using this diagram that Rich sent me to put this together. So we're going to take the old plate off. Here, so if it doesn't work after I do this, we'll all know why. I mean, that's not the spirit, but... Okay, disappear. Yep, I was sitting on it.
Just push it straight in.
I didn't even show you guys my new truck. Okay, I'll be right back. Alright. Oi!
Just want to barely tap it in.
Crocodile done deal. Yep. Did somebody call the doctor? Dr. No, fixing your Johnson here. A bug. Ew, was that like a freaking little worm? Where's that thing? Ew. Ah! It's on my pant leg. Get the heck out of here. God. Ooh! Cole's got his fancy car out today. Cole's the guy I bought my new truck from. 1980 K5 Blazer. Stay put. Wait. Mr. Cole!
What's going on?
I'm just doing an impeller change for the 90 millionth time.
How's the old girl?
I literally have not shut the thing off since I've owned it.
Really?
I've just been driving everywhere. I gotta wax the whole thing.
Oh yeah.
Men are running for the hills.
Are they?
Yeah.
Why?
I don't know. It's like they're scared or something.
I mean, I had a lot of chicks come after it.
This isn't good. I'm just 10 times more single than I was single before. Anyways, Cole.
Oh my god, that is so
Do you want a beer or
yeah,
anything?
What do you got
The
going
tadpole? Crack open the tadpole. Yes. There is more in the upstairs fridge. I just was prepared. I wanted you to reach into the tadpole. Okay. Well, aren't you healthy? Clockwise. You could be getting a tan. Away she goes. Hey, what is the worst possible thing that could happen? I ruined my motor. Oh no.
It'll be fine.
I mean, if this doesn't make you wanna find the keyway. Alright. It is sitting there. I mean, everything's gonna have to find home somehow. That goes on top. Bob's your uncle, Suzanne's your aunt. Maybe I'll use the other bolts. The factory bolts are outside.
Sun's a shining.
The sun is shining.
Oh boy.
Oh, maybe it's just not finding the... Maybe I just need to kind of... Oh, thank God.
You got her.
Everybody finds home eventually. Yeah. Bruh. Carl's working today.
Is he?
I stumbled upon he and Topa.
Oh. Okay.
It was like a bee to a honey hive.
Or just coffee though.
Just coffee
Just
with
coffee.
whiskey and Kahlua in it.
Oh my
The
goodness.
sun is shining.
Oh, I know where I'm coming for a coffee now. Holy smokes.
That's how we do it around here. Okay.
Make sure all of our bolt holes are lined up.
Yes, sirree, Bob. I did
Plate
that.
And the gas.
All right, now how do I get this little
Slide it in
thingamajig
place.
in?
Nice and snug because the housing is plastic.
Crocodile
And
done
if you
deal.
over-tighten it, you're dead. Just push it straight down.
See, this is great. See, God wanted me to do it myself.
I think so too.
You won't puncture this. Come on, you guys, find home. Family company.
Yep.
I know my way around a Johnson at this point.
I would hope so.
Okay. So, I'm thinking that it is this bolt. Thank you. Nope, that's not it. Fuck. Wait. Oh, it does look like that's the one.
Oh, try it from that side, yeah, because it.
Yeah, oh, okay, my God. Thank God you're here. Yeah.
There you go.
Okay, so... Oh! So it...
So basically,
So this tightens... Explain it to me in your language.
it's like a shifter shaft, like on a motorcycle or something, right? So when you slide the shifter onto the shaft and you tighten that, the splines of this, right, tighten onto the
Right.
or just before you.
Then I tuck this in there, tighten it up,
100%,
and then suck it up.
Exactly.
Yeah, baby.
Yep, you got it.
It won't licky and nadicky. Can everybody see this? It's like I took a, like what's those, like
a 5-hour energy.
So, okay. And this just literally just goes up.
Yeah.
Just into the abyss.
Well,
Just and you hope that it goes in the right
find
spot.
It'll
It'll find home.
I would prop that up a bit. Like, you know what I mean? Use that box.
Wrap me up inside the box. Oh, I understand.
It'll find its way. You might have to jiggle it around a bit. There you go. So leave enough room where you can get your screwdriver in there.
Okay. Oh. But Cole, could you come look at this? I feel like it needs to go like in more. Oh, there.
There you go. Yeah. Hold that.
Do you think that that is just how much it goes in?
I'm gonna pull it out just a bit just to see. It could be.
Oh, I need to take it out
Might
more.
have to take that out more.
Okay.
Pull that out a little bit more.
Okay, yeah, because Dad had to take it out fully.
All the way.
So freaking cool. Wish I had a magnetic screwdriver.
That'd be ideal. I get it.
That is awesome. Okay, like that's decent.
There you go.
Awesome. Okay.
I'll let you
Now?
slide her into place.
Haha. Okay, now I just gotta get those bolts.
I'll hold it. You get a bolt.
Okay.
And we'll get it left.
Fun finding wherever the hell that went to. Where'd it, oh.
Might not be right lined up right yet.
Cool.
There you go.
Okay, I gotta get that. I gotta get the
I think it's a 10. I'll take this one with you, and then you'll know for sure.
good fucking idea.
Yeah, at least it's all back together,
Yep.
and then you can do your test, and
This is very exciting.
should be good to go. You'll be down the creek in no time.
Oh yeah. Cooking it to Carl's.
Oh yeah.
The Scuttle Blaster back in action. Actually, this is great because Carl's dock, or his barge, is at Rich's,
Oh, is it?
and he needs a reliable motor.
Get his dock back to his
His
place.
dock back to his place. Good.
Nice and snug.
All right, yeah, snuggle bugged. Okay, guys, one more thing is I gotta put the thermostat housing back on. Where's the thermostat? Did it fall out? Fuck! What? Got it. So I came up with a theme for this summer, and it's going to be wear snakeskin cowboy boots when boating. I don't know where my little ratchet went, but that calls for a cleanup. I'm so excited, you guys. If this works, I'm gonna be so happy. I'm gonna paddle the boat to the dock and then go from there. And surprise, surprise, my phone's almost dead. What was I on when I put this dock? So why didn't I just put the motor in the boat and then move it? Ay, ay, ay. Oh my god. Just, what was I thinking? 2 accounts. Oh, ay. Holy shit. Fuck. it gets hot. Yeah, that's not right. Okay, well, I'm gonna take it back off, take the lower unit back off, and have Rich test it with the drill trick. But anyways, I think that's that for this episode.
Still not a lot of water.
Interesting.
I would almost think that it should be more than that. See, that one pumps better than the new one.
It does. Look, guys, it's the hero!
Alright guys, so basically the Amazon special was purchased and assembled and installed for absolutely no reason other than me learning, which is a pretty good reason. So yeah, I'm back in the game. Grateful for friends and family who are willing to help me in my little ventures, and yeah, all that was wrong with that original one was we're just assuming that the water pickup tube was not connected when we put the lower unit back in, but that was not on film. Anyhow, thanks for watching. I appreciate you guys so much, and if you liked this, then like and subscribe. Thanks for watching the whole way through. Have a good one, guys.